Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Let's go ahead and look at three stocks to trade today, which is Tuesday, May 23rd. First of all, though, I got to talk about how I called the PFE calls out yesterday. Over 525% on PFE yesterday in the Discord. Link is going to be in the description. But anyway, let's get to today. That's old. We on to the new. We also took 120% on Neo. Anyway, all right, let's get to it. QQQ. QQQ's been shooting up, right? A lot of days just moving up very strong. All right, we can look at the RSI. I mean, we don't need it to tell us that it's overbought, but a very clear move up. We're just looking at QQQ for that reversal back down. So we have the stuff going on with the debt ceiling. We have a lot of news-based stuff that can happen today and trigger some wild stock market movement. I'm gonna go ahead and just look at QQQ to make a low here. Really want to have it take out this low as well for certainty, especially if I'm gonna swing it down because there's a lot of room down here for QQQ to come back down. So main thing is gonna be looking at QQQ under 336.23. First taking it down here where we could find support, but if we can break through that, close below it, then we should be able to keep dropping down. All right, and probably stop up around 334 and start consolidating there some as well. All right, so again, as always, safety confirmations. Right, one of the things is you can wait on the break of a level. You can also take the break and close or wait on the retest of that level to confirm it. If you want to be a little in the middle, I say wait on the 5-minute close below that level. All right, next one is Meta, which we would think would have some big movement down given they're getting fined $1.3 billion, but they went up yesterday. It went up pretty strong in the beginning. So still looking at Meta, ultimately looking at Meta puts. And we're looking at Meta puts below 247.45. All right. So right now it's at 247.90. Looking at it for puts below 247.45. You see it started coming down during the day, started resting along this high level here from this candle. So we want to see it break through that and ultimately pull back down to the support. Could take take profits, of course, at 245, but then as it comes down further, definitely want to lock in around 243.60 as we see that was previous resistance, now flip to support. So we can, of course, expect some sort of support bounce around this area. And then last but not least, SPY. SPY, looking at SPY to come down further, kind of similar to QQQ. SPY with the inside day on the daily charts or inside bar on the daily chart. Oh, is this low? No, those lows are messed up. All right. So just taking SPY below 417.30. Now I'm going ahead and dropping it down to final target of 414.85. And then midway, we can look at grabbing some profits at 416 on that move down. All right. Of course, SPY, QQQ, safer to go 1 day or 2 days further on the expiration rather than the 0 DTE. But hey, you manage your risk. I'm just here to show you what charts look good. Hope y'all make some money today. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.